For the continuation of basic concept of probability, so let us proceed to discuss the additive rule. So kapag sinabi nating additive rule, so meaning addition lang yung ating gagamitin. So it applies to union of an event. So sa union lang din ginagamit yung additive rule. So kapag intersection, hindi siya kasali. Puro union lang yung i-apply natin or pag-a-applyan natin. So for theorem number 10, if A and B are any two events, then the probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability ng B minus the intersection between event A and B. So yan yung ating theorem number 10. So for corollary 2.1, if A and B are mutually exclusive, so pag sinabi nating mutually exclusive, dun sa ating mga previous na discussion, ibig sabihin null set yung ating intersection. Wala tayong common na value or sample point from event A and event B. Kaya ang ating probability doon ay null set. Ibig sabihin, ang formula na lang natin is probability ng A union B is equal to probability ng A plus probability ng B. So, aalsin natin yung intersection or yung minus probability ng A intersect B. Then, it is an immediate result of theorem 10 since if A and B are mutually exclusive, so ito nga yung sinasabi, yung probability natin ng null set is equal to 0. For corollary 2.2, if A sub 1, A sub 2, up to A sub n are mutually exclusive, then, so ito yung ating formula. Pag-a-addin lang natin yung probability. Probability ng A sub 1, union A sub 2, union up to A sub n, is equal to probability ng A sub 1 plus probability ng A sub 2, up to probability ng A sub n. So, basta tandaan lang natin na yung buong total ng sample or sample space ay equal lagi sa 1. Hindi pwede na lampas tayo or greater than 1 yung ating probability. Dapat range lang siya from 0 to 1 or 0% to 100%. So proceed tayo sa example. So what is the probability of getting a total of 7 or 11 when a pair of pair dice is tossed? So pag sinabi nating ito, di ba, event A natin is 7. Then or, pag sinabing or, ibig sabihin ang hinahanap natin ay union. Probability ng event A union B. 7 or 11. So, paano natin isosolve to? Let event A total of 7 and let event B a total of 11. Pero, i-identify muna natin yung ating sample space. So, di ba pag nag-toss or nag-throw tayo ng dalawang dice, a pair of dice, ano ba yung ating mga sample point? So, di ba, sa buwan natin, meron tayong 6 na sample point sa isang die, then another die, 6 then a sample point, meaning 6 times 6, meron tayong 36 na sample point. So, i-identify natin yung 36. Identify natin yung sample space natin. S is equal to, meron tayong pwedeng lumabas na 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, then 1, 6, then 2, 1, 2, 2, ilalagay natin para mas makita natin para mas madali nating maintindihan. 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. So yan, ito yung ating 36 na sample points. So ang gagawin natin, let event A total of 7 and event B total of 11. So kunin natin, ano ba yung probability ng lalabas ay 7? So hanapin natin dito. So, ang lalabas ng 7 is, ito, 1, 6, ano pa? 6, 1, then 2, 5, 5, 2, 3, 4. So, ilagay natin 1, 6, 6, 1, 2, 5, 5, 2, 3, 4, and 4, 3. So, meron tayong 6 na sample points. Ibig sabihin, ang probability niya, 6 over sa total natin, meron tayong 36. Yan. So, 6 over 36 yung probability na ang lalabas ay 7. Ngayon naman, ano yung probability na ang lalabas ay total of 11? Ang total of 11 natin is, ito, 5, 6, at saka 6, 5. Yan. So, may dalawa lang tayo, kaya siya ay 2 over 36. May intersection. Pwede bang sabay lumabas yung total na 7 at 11? So, hindi pwede. Kaya, ang ating probability ng A, intersect, lagyan lang natin, A intersect B is null set. Null set or 0. Yan. Then, pwede na natin makuha yung probability ng A union B is equal to 6 over 36 plus 2 over 36 or equal to 8 over 36 or anong decimals? 8 over 36 is 0.22. So, yan yung ating answer for example number 1. Another example, so John is going to graduate from an industrial engineering department in a university by the end of the semester. So after being interviewed at 2 companies he liked, he assessed that his probability of getting an offer from company A is 0.80 or 80%, and his probability of getting an offer from company B is 60% or 0.6. If he believes that the probability that he will get offers from both company is 50%, so what is the probability that he will get at least one offer from these 2 company? So pag sinabi natin at least one, ibig sabihin either mapili yung company A or company B or pwedeng parehas yung dalawang company. Kaya ang ating hahanapin dyan is the probability ng company A union company B. So yan, anong probability ng A union B? So let A para sa company A and let B para sa company B. So sabi dyan, ang probability natin ng ang probability for company A, for getting an offer from company A is 0.8, and ang probability naman getting an offer for company B is 0.6. Then, the probability that he will get an offer from both company, pag sinabing both company, yun ay the intersection between two event or company A and company B is equal to 0.5. So, using theorem 10, probability ng A union B is equal to ano ba yung ating probability ng A? 0.8 plus probability ng B natin 0.6 minus intersection ng dalawang company 0.5 equal to ito 0.8 plus 0.6 is 1.4 minus 0.5 is 0.9. So for this example, ito yung ating answer, 90%. So, proceed tayo sa next example. If the probabilities are respectively 0.09, 0.15, 0.21, and 0.23, that a person purchasing a new automobile will choose the color green, white, red, or blue, what is the probability that a given buyer will purchase a new automobile that comes in one of those color? So, ibig sabihin, kahit saan dito sa mga kulay na to, pwedeng green, white, red, or blue. Gagawin lang natin, let A, for example, for color green, then B for white, C for red, and D for blue. Then, yung probability natin, probability ng color is green, 0.09, color is white, 0.15, color is red, 0.21, and blue, 0.23. Then, kunin lang natin probability ng A, union B, union C, union D, or pwede naman tong A sub 1, A sub 2, A sub 3, and A sub 4. Yung ating corollary, 2.2. Pag-a-addin lang natin yung probability. 0.09, 0.15, 0.21, and 0.23. Then, yung answer natin is 0.68. Another example for additive rule. A manufacturer of tablet iPad is concerned about the possible recall of their best-selling model. If there was a recall, there is a 0.3 probability that a defect is in the video card, 0.2 in the audio card, 0.18 in the memory card, and 0.45 in some other areas. So what is the probability that the defect is the video card or the memory card? If the probability of defect in both parts simultaneously is 0.20. So, since kita nyo na problem, marami tayong given, pero hindi naman natin siya lahat gagamitin. Ang titingnan nyo lang ay kung ano yung hinahanap dun sa problem. So, sabi dito, what is the probability that defect is in the video card or memory card? Yun lang ating gagamitin, video card and memory card. So, solve natin. Let B for video card and M for memory card. kunin lang natin yung probability ng video card. Ang probability ng video card is 0.3. Then, probability natin ng memory card is 0.18. Then, yung intersection ng video card and memory card, ito yon, ito yung tinutukoy dito, 0.20. So, pwede natin makuha probability ng video card union memory card is equal to 0.3 plus 0.18 minus intersection ng video card and memory card is 0.2. So, 0.3 plus 0.18 is 0.48 minus 0.2 is 0.28. So, 28% yung probability na yung defect ay nasa video card or memory card. Yun ang ating answer, 0.28. For halimbawa naman, ano yung probability na yung defect natin ay nasa audio card and memory card? So kapag audio card and memory card, ano ba yung ating audio card? 0.20. Ang memory card natin, 0.18. So ibig sabihin, 0.2 plus 0.18 lang. Kasi itong simultaneous or yung intersection na to para kay video card and memory card. Answer natin is 0.38. Next, for Theorem 11 and Theorem number 12, Theorem 11 are for 3 event. So kung yung ating Theorem number 10 ay sa dalawang event lang, A and B, ito naman ay tatlong event. Pero hindi naman na palaging sa problem ay tatlong event. So kadalasan lagi ay dalawa lang. Pero kapag may Theorem 11, ito yung ating formula. Probability ng A union B union C is equal to probability ng A plus probability ng B plus probability ng C minus intersection ng A and B minus intersection ng A and C minus intersection ng B and C plus the intersection between A, B, and C. So, parang yung sa ating Venn diagram. Then, for Theorem number 12, if A and A complement are complementary event, then probability ng A plus probability ng complement is equal to 1. Ito yung sinasabi ko palagi na yung probability ng sample space ay laging equal sa 1. Kung ang probability ng A, for example, is 0.8, meaning may 0.2 na complement si probability ng A. So, yun lang yung ating Theorem 11 and 12. So, proceed tayo sa example. So, suppose we are playing a board game that involve rolling 2 dice. So, yung pa din, yung kanina, meron tayong 36 na sample point kapag 2 dice. Due to the rule of the game, we need to get at least one of the dice to be 2, 3, or 4 in order to win. So, what is the probability of this? So, yun. So, let event A na yung ating dice ay magiging dice to be 2. Then, for event B, dice to be 3. And C, dice to be 4. So, ano daw yung probability na sa pag-toss natin or pag-throw natin ng dice, yung upper part or yung lalabas ay merong 2 and merong 4. So, kunin ulit natin yung kanyang sample space. I-copy natin. Ito. Copy natin to kasi gagamitin natin to. So, yan yung ating sample points, sample space. Kunin na natin yung mga for probability ng A na ang lalabas ay merong 2. So, alin ba dyan yung merong 2? Ito, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, ilan ba yung total natin? Ibig sabihin 11 over 36. Then, probability ng B, lalabas ay 3. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, 11 din. So, syempre, yung probability para kay C na lalabas ay 4 is 11 over 36 din. Then, kunin natin yung intersection. Probability na ang lalabas ay A intersect B. Ano ba ang A natin? 2. Ang B, 3. Ano yung may 2, 3? 2, 3 at saka 3, 2. Kaya siya ay 2 over sa 36. Then, kunin naman natin yung probability ng B intersect kay C. Three and 4. So, 3 and 4 and 4 and 3. So, 2 over 36 din. And probability na A intersect C. 2 and 4. So, 2, 4 and 4, 2. 2 over 36 din. So, hindi naman pwede na sabay lalabas yung 2, 3, and 4 kasi dadalawa yung ating dice. Kaya, 0 yung ating intersection between 3 event. Kunin natin yung probability ng A union B union C equal to 11 over 36 plus 11 over 36 plus 11 over 36 minus 2 over 36 minus 2 over 36 minus 2 over 36. So, equal yan sa 11 over 36 pala to. So, 11 over 36, so 33 over 36 minus 2 times 3 is 6 over 36 or 27 over 36 equal to 3 over 4 or 0.75. So, 0.75 yung probability natin. Yan. For this question or example. The next, if the probability that a cell phone technician will repair 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or more or 10 or more cell phones on a given day. So, ito yung probability niya. 0.15, 0.18, 0.26, 0.13, 0.17, and 0.11 respectively. So, what is the probability that he will repair? He will repair at least 7 cell phone. So, pag sinabi natin at least 7, 7 yung pinaka mababa. So, check nyo lang dito. 5, 6, 7. So, pang tatlo. So, ito, pang tatlong, ibig sabihin yung sum lang nito. 0.26 plus 0.13 plus 0.17 plus 0.11. Kunin natin. Probability ng at least 7 is equal to, ito yun, 0.26 plus 0.13 plus 0.17 plus 0.11. So, ang answer natin is, pag-a-addin lang natin yung probability. So, 0.67 or 67%. Yan. Another example, if the probabilities that an automobile mechanic will service 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or more cars on any given workday are respectively 0.12, 0.19, 0.28, 0.24, 0.10, and 0.07, then what is the probability that he will service at least 5 cars on his next day at work? So, ang gagawin nyo din pala is i-check nyo yung probability. So, dapat itong mga probability ito ay equal sa 1. Kasi nga, yung probability natin ng sample space ay equal sa 1. So, ang nahanap natin ay probability ng at least 5 cars. So, hindi bababa ng 5. So, ang probability ng 3, 0.12. Ang probability ng 4, 0.19. Ang probability ng 5, 0.28. So, pag-addin lang natin, 0.28 plus 0.24 kasi at least 5 ang sabi, 0.10 plus 0.07. Pero i-check muna natin kung yung total banga niya ay equal sa 1, 0.12, 0.19, 0.28, 0.24, 0.10, and 0.07. So, yan equal sa 1. So, equal sa kunin natin 0.28 plus 0.24, 0.1, 0.07, 0.69 or 69% yung probability na at least 5 cars. Or meron pa tayong isang solution, yung paggamit natin ng complement. Kung sinabi na at least 5 cars yung ating hinahanap, unahin natin na kunin yung 3 and 4. So, yung probability ng less than 5 ay equal sa 0.12 plus 0.19. So, equal yan sa 0.31. Then, kunin lang natin yung complement. Probability ng at least 5 is equal to 1 minus 0.31. Siyempre, equal din yan sa 0.69. So, same lang naman, pero mas madali yung ganito, pag-addin mo na lang yung probability. So, okay na tayo sa additive rule. So, balikan natin yung mga theorem natin. Theorem 10 natin, so, probability ng 2 event. So, probability ng event A, union B is equal to probability ng A plus probability ng B minus the intersection between A and B. Meron tayong corollary kapag mutually exclusive, ika-cancel or i-disregard natin yung intersection, and also yung pag-aadin lang natin yung probability. Then for theorem 11, yung ating probability kapag 3 event, yung A, B, and C, probability ng A union B, union C, is equal to probability ng A plus probability ng B, plus probability ng C minus the intersection between A and B, minus the intersection between A and C, minus the intersection between B and C, and plus the intersection of A, B, and C. Then, theorem number 12, yung ating probability ng A plus probability ng kanyang complement ay equal sa 1. So, proceed tayo sa conditional probability. So, theorem 13, if an experiment event A and B can both occur, then, ito yun, probability ng A intersect B is equal to probability ng A times probability ng B intersect probability ng A multiply sa probability ng B given A. So, yung vertical na to, ito ay given. So, B given A and pwede naman na A given B. So, depende sa ating problem or sa theorem. So, pero for example, ang atin namang hinahanap lagi ay, for example, find the probability that B given A. So, ang gagawin nyo lang, for example, probability ng B given A is equal to, ang nasa numerator lagi ay intersection. Intersection ng dalawang event Then, ang denominator nyo ay probability ng, yung given, kung ano yung na dito sa right side. Halimbawa, B given A, so ibig sabihin ang ating denominator ay A. Kapag naman A given B, ang denominator naman natin ay B, or probability ng B. The probability that a regularly scheduled flight departs on time is 0.83. Then the probability that it arrive on time is 0.82. And the probability that it departs and arrive on time, yung intersection niya, is 0.78. So find the probability that a plane arrive on time given that it departed on time. So dun muna tayo sa letter A. Sabi ay probability ng a plane arrive on time. Ano ba ang arrive on time? Yung A. Arrive on time given that, or given B na lang. Kasi given that it departed, or given D, sorry. Yan. P, or probability ng A given B. So, ibig sabihin, ang ating numerator ay yung intersection ng A intersect D. I-divide natin siya sa, yung kung ano yung na dito, probability ng D. So, ano ba yung intersection natin? Yung 0.78. Then, ano ba yung ating probability ng D? 0.83. Po, 0.78 over 0.83 is equal to 0.94. So, yan yung ating answer for letter A. Then, letter B. Find the probability that a plane departed on time given that it has arrived on time. So, probability ng departed on time given arrive on time. So, probability ng D given A. So, same pa din ang ating numerator, yung intersection, yung 0.78. Then, i-divide natin sa probability ng A. Ang probability ng A natin ay 0.82. So, 0.78 over 0.82 is equal to 0.95. So, yan yung answer natin for this example. Another example, in a large housing plan, 35% of the homes have both a deck and a two-car garage, and 80% of the houses have a two-car garage. Find the probability that a house has a deck given that it has a garage. So, kunin muna natin. Ano ba yung probability natin or yung hinahanap na lang, probability daw na yung house ay deck given G, yung sa garage. Ibig sabihin, ano ba yung 35% home have both a deck and two-car garage. So, ibig sabihin, 0.35 yung ating intersection. Then, 80% ng house merong garage. So, ibig sabihin, 0.8. So, 0.35 over 0.8 equal to 0.44. So, yan yung answer natin for this example. Then another, a card is selected from a deck. Find the probability that it is an ace given that it is a black card. So, paano yan? Paano natin isosolve yung ganitong problem? So, meron sa deck of card, meron tayong 52 cards. So, 13 na diamond, 13 na heart, 13 na spade, and 13 na flower, o yung may ibang tawag doon. Ang sabi ay probability daw na it is an ace given that it is a black card. So, kunin natin, ano ba yung probability ng ace? ace card. So sa baraha, meron tayong ilang ace. Isa sa heart, isa sa diamond, isa sa flower, and isa sa spade. 4, then 52. 52 yung total natin. Then, ang probability naman na black card, so ang black natin doon ay spade at saka flower. So, tig 13. So, 13 times 2 is 26 over 52. Then, ano naman yung intersection ng ace, intersect sa black? So, ibig sabihin, ano yung common sa kanila? Ang common ay yung isang ace na flower at isang ace na spade. So, ibig sabihin, meron tayong intersection na 2 over 52. So, yan. Pero ang tinatanong ay probability that it is an ace. So, ibig sabihin, probability ng A given B. So, ang intersection natin is 2 over 52. Then, i-divide natin ang 2 over 52 sa, ito, yung given B. Ano ba ang probability ng black? 26 over 52. So, ang sagot natin ay 2 over 52 divide sa 26 over 52. Sagot natin is 1 over 13 or decimal natin is 0.08. So, yan yung answer natin for this example.